In this case, we can see fillings that are failing. The seal has broken down between the filling in the tooth, and decay is now growing underneath the filling. We can also see several cracks in the molar. We'll show you step by step how we remove these fillings and clean the decay out from under them. The first step is to place a dental dam over the teeth. This isolates them from the rest of the mouth and prevents any of the mercury from being inhaled or swallowed while it's being removed. Now we're ready to remove the mercury amalgam fillings. We use the cut and chunk method, which minimizes the amount of mercury vapor that is released. We are working under the microscope here, which allows us to make very small and precise cuts around the fillings to remove them. Now we can see how much decay was growing underneath the amalgams. All of the black color that you see is decay. And now that all the decay is removed, we're doing our final preparation for the fillings. Now the teeth are being bonded and filled. We create a custom matrix that will give the tooth a natural shape. This custom formed matrix is injection molded with composite material. After the injection molding is completed, the filling material is shaped and then the material is set with a special LED light that hardens it instantly. The matrix is removed and the new fillings are shaped and polished. And here we are doing a final check with floss. We can see the fillings are smooth. They have great natural contours and contacts. And here is our great looking final result. This is where we started off, and this is where we ended up. A really beautiful final result.